India is my country. All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
To all, today's thought is brought to you by Abu Bakar of Grade 7 Jasper. Thought: the happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. I repeat my thought: the happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thought. Thank you. Next, my friend will continue what? Have a good day.
This weather report is brought to you by Sanjay from Grade 7 Jasper. Maximum temperature 33 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature 22 degrees Celsius. Partly sunny. Thank you. Next, my friend will continue thought.
Of the day is brought to you by Sahil of Grade 7 Jasper. Word: al fresco. Meaning: taking place or located in the open air. Friends, please spell after me. Al fresco. A-L F-R-E-S-E-O. Thanks.
And today's international and national news is brought to you by Sai Kirtana from Grade 7 Jasper. International news: Sri Lanka approves free tourist visas for visitors from India and 6 other countries. To date, 16 hurt in shooting among Florida Halloween revelers. 1 man arrested. National news: PM Modi offers prayers at Ambaji Temple in Gujarat. SC puts Maharashtra speakers on a deadline to decide defection pleas against breakaway Shiva Sena NCP lawmakers. Thank you. Have a nice day.
And today's state and sport news is brought to you by G. Sai from Grade 7 Jasper. State news: Telangana Vinod Kumar carries out door-to-door campaign for victory of BRS Vemarapadu aspirant. TSCRC chairman urged power consumers not to attack electricity official. Sport news: Afghanistan vs Sri Lanka highlights. Afghanistan beat Sri Lanka by 7 wickets in Pune. Qualifying for Champions Trophy, important target for Bangladesh and Shakib. Thank you. Have a good day.
Happy morning, everyone. Today's GK questions are brought to you by Abhiram Reddy of Grade 7 Jasper. Question for Grade 6. Gidda is the folk dance of which state? I repeat it once again. Gidda is the folk dance of which state? Sorry, you didn't pick any answer, and the answer is Punjab. Question for Grade 7. 1024 kilobytes is equal to. I repeat it once again. 1024 kilobytes is equal to. Sorry, you didn't pick the wrong answer. You picked the wrong answer, and the answer is 1 megabyte. Question for Grade 8. Martyrs' Day is celebrated every year on. I repeat it once again. Martyrs' Day is celebrated every year on. Sorry, you didn't pick any answer, and the answer is 30th January. Question for Grade 9. Gir National Park in Gujarat is famous for. I repeat it once again. Gir National Park in Gujarat is famous for. Sorry, you picked the wrong answer, and the answer is lion. Open question for all. Cry of lion is called. I repeat it once again. Cry of lion is called. Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is roar. Let us appreciate them. Thank you.
And today's 5 amazing facts are brought to you by Radharahan of Grade 7 Jasper. 5 amazing facts. Fact number 1. The majority of Earth's oxygen is produced by oceans. Fact number 2. The human stomach can dissolve razor blades. Fact number 3. Animals use Earth's magnetic field to know their location. Fact number 4. A cockroach has the ability to live for up to 1 week without its head. Fact number 5. The Eiffel Tower gets taller in summer. Thank you. Have a good day. Today about hockey is brought to you by Brunda of Grade 7 Jasper. Hockey is national game of India. The modern game of hockey is in England in the mid 18th century. It is a popular game and an interesting game that many countries play. The game has many rules, and the hockey is born in Canada, where the first indoor game was played on March 3rd in 1875. Thank you.
I shall always.
I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all others respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people. Today I'm going to tell about chess constitution. In a single game of chess, there are 400 possible moves. After each move, game played. Thank you. Happy morning everyone. Today, history of the week, history of the month is brought to you by Swarga of Grade II Hazel. History of the month. Halloween ends unusual celebrations combining the Christian festival of all Science with people ornament festival time. Morning to all. Today's good thought is brought to you by Aradhya of Grade II Hazel. Good thought is success comes to all those who are busy looks for it. Thank you. Have a fun day. Morning to all. Today good word is success. Friends, please spell after me. Success. Yes. Yes, you. Yes, you. C. E. S. S. Thank you. Have a nice day. Amazing fact. Fact number 1. The only two animals that can see behind themselves without turn hands are the rabbit and the parrot. Fact number 2. A cat has 32 muscles in each ear. Thank you. news. World Cup 2023, India becomes second successful team in World Cup history. Thank you. Happy morning to all. Today GK questions are brought to you by Avantika of Grade 2 Hazel. Question for Grade 1. World best selling book. I repeat again. World best selling book. The answer is Holy Bible. Question for Grade 2. Which bird can fly backwards? As you pick the correct answer, let us substitute them there. The answer is hummingbird. Question for Grade 3. Who is the first woman president of India? Pratibha Patel. For Grade 4. Question for Grade 4.